Mastering irregular verbs in present continuous tense. Hello there, English learners. Welcome back to another lesson. Today, we're delving deeper into the wonderful world of irregular verbs and specifically how to use them in the present continuous tense. So, if you've been wondering how to form sentences with irregular verbs in this tense, you're in the right place. Before we dive into irregular verbs, let's do a quick recap. The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening right now, or in the near future. The structure for this tense is subject plus is, are, am, plus verb ing. For example, I am running, she is singing. Notice that running and singing are verbs in their ing forms. It's that simple for regular verbs, but what about irregular ones? Irregular verbs are verbs that don't follow the regular conjugation patterns of past simple and past participle forms. However, in the present continuous tense, irregular verbs behave just like regular ones. They take on the ing form regardless of how irregular they are in other tenses. For example, she is going, we are seeing. Here, going and seeing are the ing forms of the irregular verbs go and see. Let's look at some more examples with irregular verbs. 1. Come becomes coming in present continuous tense. Example, they are coming to the party tonight. 2. Begin becomes beginning in present continuous tense. Example, I am beginning to understand the concept. 3. Swim becomes swimming in present continuous tense. Example, she is swimming in the pool right now. Remember, the rules stay the same irrespective of whether the verb is regular or irregular. Though regular verbs follow the same ing rule in present continuous tense, learners sometimes mix up verb tenses. A common mistake is using a simple present verb instead of its continuous form. Incorrect, I am understand. Correct, I am understanding. Remember to always use the ing form of the verb in present continuous tense. And that's it for this lesson on irregular verbs in present continuous tense. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these verbs in your daily English and soon, it will become second nature to you. Thank you for joining me today, and see you in the next lesson.